Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best kitchen towels. So let's get started. Number 7. Utopia Towels Kitchen Towels. These classic kitchen towels from Utopia are Amazon's best-selling set of dish towels. This set of 12 dual-colored towels will only set you back $17. That comes out to less than $2 a towel, but they're made of high-quality ring-spun cotton. The woven design makes them soft yet durable, and their 15 by 25-inch size allows for absorbency. Plus, they come in a variety of classic colors to fit in with most kitchen aesthetics. Over 2,500 Amazon shoppers have left the towels 5-star reviews, including this customer who wrote, "I've found far too many kitchen towels that aren't absorbent at all, they just push the liquid around making more of a mess." These don't have that problem, they do the job and look good too. Number 6. D2 Terry Kitchen Dishcloths. If you're in the market for affordable towels that will get the job done and look good hanging in your kitchen, consider these dishcloths from D2. Available on Amazon for just $11, the set includes 6 cotton towels featuring a traditional window pane design. They're lightweight, absorbent, and machine washable for easy cleaning. Plus, you can choose to buy them in an array of fun colors like aqua, eggplant, or spice. According to customer reviews, these towels are a great value. Many customers noted that the colors held up after multiple washes, and the thin material allows the cloths to dry quickly. "I like them so much, I'm buying another set. I highly recommend them," one shopper wrote. Number 5. Sticky Toffee Cotton Terry Kitchen. These are made with 100% high-quality terry cotton for a durable, absorbent cloth that's perfect for drying dishes or cleaning up big spills. Available in multiple colorways, including gray, yellow, blue, and red, the 4-piece set features a textured design with symmetrical striped detailing for a simple look that'll easily match any kitchen decor. "I love these towels," one Amazon shopper wrote. "They dry up better than any others I have used. The texture is absorbent, but not rough. They did not lint in the wash, and they look great hanging in our kitchen." Number 4. Gryeer Microfiber Kitchen Towels. Microfiber dish towels are typically more absorbent than cotton and dry very quickly, making them a great option if you're looking for towels to wipe up spills or dry dishes in the kitchen. This particular material is also ideal for drying glassware without leaving scratches or streaks behind. According to reviews, these lint-free microfiber towels are made with durable fibers and are some of the best on the market. "These towels are so nice. I was a little skeptical buying them online, but now these will be the only towels I will buy. They actually absorb water unlike many other towels I have tried," one reviewer shared. Number 3. Fecido Classic Kitchen Dish Towels. When it comes to tackling big messes, you'll need thicker and ultra-absorbent towels, like these cotton ones from Fecido. Measuring 19 by 27 inches, the large towels are made of 100% cotton designed to quickly and efficiently dry dishes and wipe away liquids. "These things suck up water like a siphon in a swimming pool. Amazing. They are that good," one shopper wrote. Not only are they highly functional, but the towels also come in a variety of cute colors like red, light green, purple, and silver gray to complement their classic checkered patterns. Number 2. Utopia Kitchen Flour Sack Dish Towels. Despite the name, these towels are not actually made of flour sacks. Rather, the material consists of thin cotton threads for a super lightweight towel that's ideal for drying glassware and hands, or even for using as a cheese strainer. This set of 12 towels from Utopia Kitchen is made of 100% pure ring-spun cotton with a diagonal knit for style. They're machine washable, lint-free, and surprisingly absorbent as long as you wash them before the first use, reviewers say. "I absolutely love these towels," one shopper wrote. "Super absorbent and will do everything from dry dishes to get dog pee out of the carpet." Number 1. Swedish Dishcloth Cellulose Sponge Cloths. One of Amazon's best-selling dishcloths, these sponge cloths each have different textured sides, one with crisscross stitching and one with linear stitching, for serious absorbency and durability. They're designed to combine elements of traditional hand towels with those of cellulose sponges, and they can absorb over 20 times their weight. You can use them to scrub, wipe, and polish dishes and countertops. More than 4,300 Amazon shoppers gave this 10-pack of dish towels a perfect 5-star review, and many say they're better than traditional cloths. They are very absorbent, yet easy to wring out completely, and I mean completely, after use, wrote one reviewer. And as advertised, they don't stink.